So I'm back with a review on my second purchase from WOWEbony because the first one was really good. So basically this is the 360S02. So it's super wavy and it's a 360, so it goes all around the back. But today I did not style it for it to be like, in a up because I'm going to the beach today. So I just want it down and, looking super wavy. So I have washed it and I have had the hair for the last 2 weeks. First of all, shipping was really quick. I ordered it on the 18th of June and it came by the 27th, which was really good because I'm kind of in a very far province in Canada. So yeah, that was really good. In terms of plucking it, oh, the density is 180, and I'll leave all the details at the bottom in my description box. I customized this frontal for myself. As you can see, it's not too perfect because I'm still learning on how to like do the customization, but so far it's all right. In terms of everything else, I think like shedding, there's not too much shedding in it. Like I can run my fingers through it and you don't really see anything. Tangling, it gets a little bit tangly because it's straight hair, right? So in my experience, I've had like 2 straight wigs before. It usually gets a little bit, yeah. What else in terms of I got it in the regular natural unprocessed color, and it's 20 inches. I'll just adjust my camera so you can see. It's like, yeah, and I'm really short. I'm like 5'1.5". I always count on the 0.5, so I really am kind of short. So this was the perfect length for me without being like way too unmanageable. Yeah, I really do like this company. I think I will definitely be buying from them again because their products actually work and it's not like, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed too much, and it's really high quality for a really affordable price. So that's just a quick review in terms of what I use on it. I just use like OGX coconut or argan oil, and then I want curl it to perfection however I want it because it's straight hair, so you don't want to weigh down anything that's too heavy because then it just loses everything. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you are interested in purchasing this hair, go get it because it's really worth it. All right, bye.